Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover features of TestNG. So let's get started. Features of TestNG is like before and after notification, XML based test configuration, dependent methods, group, dependent group, parameterization of test method, data driven testing, multi-thread execution, better reporting and open API. So before and after notification options are there, like before suit, before test, before group, before class. Before and after notification are used to execute certain set of code before and after execution of test method. This notification are used to set the variable or configuration before the start of the execution of test method and clean up all the variable after execution end. So these are there. Okay, XML based test configuration. Test suite in TestNG are mainly configured using XML based file. TestNG.xml is used to organize and run the test suite. TestNG XML file is used to create the test suite by using classes, test method, package, as well as by using the test group. It also used to pass the parameter to test classes or method. Third is dependent methods. Dependency is a feature of TestNG that allow you to test method depend on a single or group of test methods. Dependency work on the principle of depend on method, which must be either in the same class or in the inherited base class. This is very important feature in TestNG that tell the TestNG to run the dependent test after the execution of given method. Okay, you can configure them. You want to dependent the test method should be executed not even after the execution of a given test method fail. So groups are also there and dependent groups are also there. These both are similar. And parameterization is there. You can give any value in parameterization. Data driven multi-thread execution, and it has a better reporting. Okay, it consider own customized report. Okay, open API. Consider open API means API is publicly available to the developer. This feature allow you to create your custom extension in your framework. So when I will multi execution, data driven, parameterization, groups, XML based groups, dependent methods, you will understand when I will teach you the notification. That is very important. Okay, just refer this diagram and try to learn all the features of TestNG. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and please do share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.